Hi, I'm Leilani Courtney. Welcome to 254 Del Mesa, an exceptional single-level residence in the best over 55 community in Carmel. Unit 254 is a rare C model, which is the largest Del Mesa unit and is the only freestanding model, so no shared walls and nobody living above you. This 2-bed, 2-bath home has an additional den for your home office, creative studio, or guest space. Outside, your private deck is framed by sweeping mountain views, ideal for morning coffee or sunset gatherings. 254 is positioned privately at the edge of the community, yet moments from Del Mesa's premier amenities. Del Mesa Carmel offers secure, carefree living, just minutes from world-class dining and the stunning Carmel coastline. Move in and enjoy immediately, or bring your vision to create your personalized sanctuary.